What's up, guys? B Brooks coming with another video. I want to go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to put the crank pulley back on the 5.3. I got this map gas and this thing right here. Put this on here. Then I gotta get a lighter, right? Alright, so that's on. Let me get a lighter real quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Got the lighter. Let me get my gloves on and get it started. I got these high temperature gloves that are basically like welding gloves. I'm gonna go ahead and use those to handle this situation. So, alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and warm this up all the way. So that way the inside diameter is big enough to go right on the crank and we're not gonna have any issues. So I'm gonna heat this up real quick. Got the crank pulley. All right guys, so the pulley is on. You guys got a chance to see that. So basically all I did was heat it up, make sure that the pulley got hot enough. It went right on the crank, so no issues there. And then I made sure the timing cover was loose just a little bit so I could make sure that the pulley went in without pinching anything or with the seals and stuff. So if you guys liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section. And if you guys want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe. Peace.